Historically, the final quarter of the year between October through to December, that has always been considered one of the most profitable periods of the year for commodity traders. Throughout our reports, we have routinely highlighted that the commodity markets they will move in very predictable trends, presenting savvy traders with a series of highly profitable opportunities to capitalize on the huge macro driven rallies alongside the pullbacks. Once again, everything we discussed with you that has played out as expected. These exciting and fast moving markets, they are creating the most optimized environment for traders, or as some of the world's most powerful Wall Street banks, from Goldman Sachs to JP Morgan to Bank of America, they are calling it the golden age of trading. The evidence is undeniable. 2025's highly macro driven backdrop that is fueling one of the greatest generational wealth transfers in history. What we are witnessing right now is nothing short of a once in a lifetime opportunity that has the potential to make millionaires and billionaires out of regular people. During the last 3 quarters of 2025, we have seen the commodity markets notch up explosive double-digit gains in a single week, sometimes in a single day. For traders making money in these markets, it's never been so straightforward. The week-to-week, short-term, macro-driven trend that we're seeing play out in 2025, that can be summarized as buy low, sell high, rinse and repeat, and do it all over again. On the topic of macro themes, it is taco time yet again, as President Donald Trump storms back on the global stage with a fresh round of tariff threats. Savvy commodity traders once again leaning into one of the most profitable strategies of his presidency, the taco trade, short for Trump always chickens out. The strategy, it is simple yet deadly effective. Trump announces eye-watering tariffs and markets they panic. Equities sell off, Bitcoin tanks, the US dollar weakens, commodities such as gold and silver, they rip higher as safe haven demand explodes. Then comes the twist. Days later, Trump walks it all back. Tariffs, they are delayed, softened, or rebranded as negotiations. The market, it breathes a sigh of relief, and smart traders, they cash out with windfall profits. For commodity traders, this has become the textbook. Buy the panic, ride the rally, sell into the reversal, and reload ahead of the next major headline. Our analysts here at the Gold and Silver Club put it, it is volatility on demand, and gold and silver, they thrive on it. For those who understand the pattern, the taco trade has become one of the most profitable and lucrative macro trading strategies of 2025. On Monday, gold and silver prices once again hit all new record highs. After chalking up 39 all-time highs in 2024, matching the frenzy seen during the global financial crisis of 2011, the yellow metal has already eclipsed this record this year. So far in 2025, gold has smashed through 43 fresh all-time record highs, officially surpassing last year's tally. That makes 2025 its strongest yearly rally in over half a century. To put that into perspective, across the last 22 months, gold has posted an astonishing 82 record highs, the equivalent of 4 new all-time highs every single month for nearly 2 years straight. That pace of wealth creation is unprecedented. Our analysts, they put it as follows. We are living through a once-in-a-generational opportunity. Gold's bull market is only accelerating. Those positioned now stand to capitalize on the greatest wealth transfer of our lifetimes. Gold surged above $4,100 per ounce for the first time ever, a jaw-dropping milestone for a metal that traded below $2,000 just 2 years ago. With year-to-date gains exceeding 54%, gold's returns have left equities, bonds, and the real estate market trailing well behind. Meanwhile, silver prices, they have topped $52 per ounce, reaching a fresh 14-year high and climbing over 300% since 2020. Our analysts at the Gold and Silver Club, they have raised our official gold price targets to $5,000 per ounce, describing it as a conservative base case for the current cycle. In fact, a breakout towards $5,000 per ounce should no longer be viewed as extreme, but as the expected outcome into 2026. Our analysts, they went on to conclude if silver breaks $55 an ounce, then $75 to $100 per ounce silver, that will be no longer viewed as an extreme scenario, but as a realistic target through 2026. Whichever way you look at it, one thing is clear. The macroeconomic backdrop for precious metals, it is looking more bullish than ever before, and it certainly won't take much for prices to reach new record highs in the coming weeks and months ahead. The opportunity for those who know how to navigate these markets with accuracy and precision, they are vast. In fact, it's times like these that make millionaires and billionaires out of regular people. Extraordinary times, they do create extraordinary opportunities. Right now, as traders, we are living through one of the most exciting and rewarding periods ever in history. If you've been kicking yourself for missing out on some of the biggest market moving events of 2025, then this is the second chance you can't afford to miss. You've just been handed the ultimate opportunity to make the final quarter of 2025 your best ever. Our clients have already locked in 6, 7, and 8-figure returns so far this year, and we are only in October. If you've been sitting on the sidelines watching others bank life-changing profits in 2025, now is the time to stop watching and start taking action. Whatever long-term goal you're looking to achieve through trading, whether that is to create a full-time income, replace your day job, or multiplying your savings at an accelerated pace, the next 3 months, they are critical. The final quarter of 2025 is already shaping up to be a blockbuster period fueled by historic macroeconomic catalysts. Here at the Gold and Silver Club, we're consistently banking over 10,000 points profit per month, which we have transparently documented in our weekly market updates. If you're trading at 1 lot, that's $100,000. If you're trading at 10 lots, that's $1 million. Our clients are living proof. As you can see from our testimonials, our clients at the Gold and Silver Club are utilizing our proprietary research-driven trading approach. They have already locked in 6, 7, 8-figure returns this year, and we still have another 3 months left to go. Even the likes of Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Bank of America, they have begun preparing their clients for what they predict could be the most lucrative final quarter of the year in modern history. In fact, the same can be said about the Gold and Silver Club. We have already briefed, prepared, and positioned our clients ready to make the final 3 months of the year their biggest and best yet. The only question is, will you join them? This is your moment. Don't let another year slip away with regret. Go to jointhegoldandsilverclub.com now to learn how our mentorship program can take your trading to the next level. Time, it is the most precious commodity that you will ever own. Don't waste it. The time to take action is now. As a member, you get access to our exclusive live trading room webinars. You get access to real-time trade ideas, access to institutional research and market intelligence, access to our private Members Academy website, and also support and one-to-one mentoring. For more information, just go to jointhelivetradingroom.com. The link is also below this report in the description. So just click on the link, make an application. We will get in touch ASAP.